In this video, I'd like to show you the user interface for Project ReDec. So if I start up the program, it brings you up with this window here, and there you can see the resistor underneath the camera. You'll notice that it is a brown, black, red resistor, which should figure out to be a 1K resistor. You'll notice that right here it's not showing you any values. That's because in this particular case it hasn't been calibrated. There is a slight problem with the implementation in this current implementation, I should say, in that it is very specific to colors and lighting. So no two instances will likely match. But it does have, on the upside, every instance that is saved in the calibration is saved for the next time. So the more the application is used, the larger its database should become and the more accurate it should also become. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, it's uncalibrated. So let's start by calibrating the black stripe. So you'll notice that it's set for silver right here. That's just telling you which stripe is going to be calibrated. So use the arrow keys to select the color you want to calibrate, in this case black. So you just hover over the color you want to calibrate and click once in a while. Just get a few calibration points in there. And let's get the brown. Oops, let's try that brown instead. So we calibrate it with brown. Get some more brown in there. Now we need to get red. So you'll see right there, as soon as we got a red calibration point in, there's some activity here. So let's put in a few more to make that a little bit more stable. There we go. For whatever reason, the red is a lot harder to get accurate. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see in this video, but here in the lower left hand and upper left hand corners are just little individual pixels that are being lit up. They correspond to a particular stripe location and a particular color detected. I'm looking at the viewfinder here. It's kind of obvious that there's some pixels lighting up there and there, but it's kind of hard to tell what they are. But on my screen here, I can tell that the proper pixels are lighting up, but they're not staying steady. I don't know if this is because I've got a cheapo camera. This one costs like 20 bucks, or if it has to do with the implementation I've done here. But it's not stable, but it is, however, giving the correct interpretation.